hi, another day and another like open house. Unfortunately, nobody eats the cinnamon buns. We are again at Mardi 4. Let's take a look. Cozy, quiet. Today is raining a bit. Oh. So what is the time? Now is 12 o'clock. So ate all those cinnamon buns, and I don't know what to do next time. Should I buy cinnamon buns to have a nice smell? Maybe people be affected by that, or I'll just get fat. Okay, but I have a few interesting notes. The customers who came to look at it thought that it's better in person than on the photos. That's actually our main goal, is to be the other way around. So if you have any ideas what can be done, because the owners are still using the place, so obviously the design is, they like the design, so we can't just reshuffle everything or put some new furniture or something. I don't know. Or maybe we can hire a new photographer. I don't know. Can we do something with what we have? Let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, customers liked it because it has really amazing floor plan. Let's check it out. So here we are at spacious dining room. Here we have a great balcony with beautiful flowers. You can watch TV. Everything you need is here. Pink kitchen, perfectly suited for cooking with all the appliances you can imagine. Here is view to the terrace, to your flowers. And here you have a study, so you can do some work, sit here behind the chair and do some computer work. By the way, that was one of the things those people who viewed it today said, that yes, we have like people who really need to have two offices. So somebody's working in this office and the other, let me show you around, and the other can work in the second office. So here you go. Somebody works there, and you see what kind of interesting chair. Sit here. And somebody works here behind the computer. Actually quite comfortable. So that's kind of interesting. Maybe this is a demand of a new era we are at, that because of COVID and all the situations we are facing right now, people are working at home, at least partly. Maybe 2 days at home, 3 days at office, maybe the other way around, maybe at the at home all the time. And here we are. We are going now to the bedroom, perfect bedroom, with a wardrobe. They have a lot of wardrobes here, and a balcony, another balcony. Okay, so that's it. That were my thoughts about Mardi 4 and the apartment. And today is raining, but I have an umbrella, so no problem with that.